Welcome back to Your Story, guys. We have very special news for you. We've got Ashish Saxena with me. He's from Book My Show, of course. He's the COO, and he's got an exciting announcement that you guys would really want to look at. Ashish, over to you. What is the good news that I'm waiting to hear? How are you, firstly?
Hi, Vishal. Good to know that you are so excited, and so are we. I just want to let you know that we are coming up with a transactional VOD platform. This is very technical, but it's called as TVOD, but it's part of a streaming service that Book My Show is going ahead with. And this is on this is a window that is not very popular or not very prevalent in India. And this is something that is very strong in the US, for example, but this is almost not there in India. So this is something we are very excited to be a part of this window and to be able to play a lot of movies for our customers and users.
And that note itself, I think India is consuming so much video content, right? I think it's also called Book My Show Stream, right?
That's
So,
right.
so it's going to be in the app, Book My Show app. Let's get into how the user can use this content. And I'm also told my favorite subject, a lot of world cinema is going to be on this. So, so how is it going to benefit the Indian audience, people like me who like world cinema, and also the local audience is something you bring in? And how does the whole system work would be something that people would appreciate.
So to answer your first question, besides the app, we will also be available on Fire TV, Apple TV, as well as Android TV. So it's a complete experience that there is. As far as the content breakup is concerned, our tagline says is all it's curated with love. So we've curated each and every content that there is available on the platform. Our USP is going to be twofold. One is a premiering title, which we will do two premieres every Friday, which are the titles which will premiere on TVOD or which will be exclusive to TVOD, which will be on our platform. So those will happen every Friday, minimum of two. I would say there could be more of those premieres happening as we go along. And the second thing which is important is exclusive titles, which are also going to be there. And this is, as you said, world cinema and differentiated content. That is our USP, and that's what we are pushing for. And that will be an important part of our segment. Also, you'll be happy to know that almost 40% of our content is going to be exclusive to Book My Show Stream, which is again very with curated with lot of care and lot of affection and lot of love for the
Okay.
cinema.
Okay, and when you say curated, I think you're keeping different audience segments in mind. You'll probably have the tier three, tier four cities, local languages curated for them, and it'll be curated for a world audience as well, right?
Yes, so we'll be covering the Hollywood releases that there are, plus world cinema, plus something from the film festivals across the world, all key film festivals. But we have a very good curated content from India as well, and that is not just limited to Hindi. We've got in other regional languages as well. We've got Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. We have Bangla, we have Oriya, we have Gujarati, we have Marathi. I think if we've covered all the segments, we want to make sure that content for every user is available that he would like to see. Plus, it's being an ongoing service and data-driven service. We'll continue to work on what the likings are and what the preferences are, and we'll keep taking that ahead.
Ashish, this is a very powerful idea. Never before has anybody allowed access to multiple Indian languages that to curated cinema, right? It is almost like saying that you can be a Kannada person, but you can still, watch a Marathi movie and appreciate it. You can watch a Gujarati movie and appreciate it. It's a lot of hard work, and will there be subtitles obviously involved, some form of curation involved, right? In terms of that's a content strategy inside that you'll have people translating things, right? That's a great opportunity for people who want to work with Book My Show as well.
Every film will have English subtitles, and
Yes,
we've taken care, and not just regional films, even world cinema will have
beautiful.
English subtitles. Absolutely,
Beautiful.
that's a given.
Okay. Okay. Talk to me about this entire genesis of the program. How long did it take you to get this up to speed? Going into the backstory, why was this important on the context of the pandemic and whatever that we face at this point of time? Why does that make you guys relevant? And obviously, last time you told me people are coming back to cinema when we spoke in November. People are going to come back at least in a small staggered manner. And I think now they're going to open it up next month going forward in a combination of that and this, I think it's going to be even more powerful for Book My Show.
So this is, I'm happy to say that this has taken us much lesser than a year, because we
Okay.
started working maybe about 8 months. The
Okay.
good thing is, Vishal, that it's all done in-house. It's internally developed platform that we could do because of our technology background that there is. So absolutely done inside. It was all started from scratch, but we've been able
Nice.
to deliver this in a very, very quick time. And coming to your question about cinemas, see, it was never meant to be a replacement or, in lieu of a cinema, a business or cinema option that
Yes.
there is. This is always an extension. So I'd like to clarify, that
Please.
when we say a movie releases, it covers, four basic windows. It's a theatrical release, followed by a transactional VOD release, goes to a subscription VOD release, which is like Netflix and Prime.
Yes.
Then it goes to an AdVOD, which is advertisement-driven video on demand. So this, as I said, this TVOD window, which is the second post-theatrical, that has been hardly there in India. I mean, this
Correct.
is something which was completely untapped segment, and that's where we are coming into. So we are not trying to step into a movie which is playing in theater. We wait for it to do its window, then come to our platform, and then it goes beyond that. So it's an additional stream, additional vertical. It's a brand new vertical. It was not done just so to compensate for as a cinema experience. They are both
Absolutely.
independent, and this is an extension of that.
No, no, I'm glad you mentioned that, and it's also because the sales of Android TVs, smart TVs in India are going up.
Yeah.
The obviously devices, people are saying that 900 million people will be connected to the internet by the end of this year or next year or something of that sort. That's what the finance minister says. That's phenomenal, right? So on that context, this thing is going to be very different for you, and for our for our audience who's listening to this for the first time, and what does it really mean? Like you gave us, there's a theatrical release, then there's a subscription VOD, right? There's a VOD, and then it goes on to cable television or whatever, right? So, what is the special market category that you're talking about?
So we have divided this into basically two parts. One
Yes.
is a category which we call on our BMS stream. We are calling it a missed in theaters category. So that is something that will come post the theatrical window. A movie releases in the theaters, and it plays plays for its window. As a user, Vishal, you may be watching a certain kind of a film. Maybe you say you watch a thriller, for example, and we know that with the data that we have of 21 years, we realize that there is a movie that you probably missed in the theater. Maybe Tenet is something that you missed out in theaters, which you would have normally gone. So we'd like to
Yes.
nudge you very, very carefully, saying that Tenet is now available on TVOD. So that's a very important segment that we are looking at. It's called missed in theaters. The second category is what I spoke about, world cinema and other category, or the forthcoming releases that come in, and which would be also exclusive, which don't go to theaters, which release directly on this platform. There are a
Yeah.
lot of movies that release worldwide, internationally, which don't make it to India. We are using this platform to get those titles into India. We've in fact acquired a lot of content within Book
Correct.
My Show to be able to do that, and that is the basic differentiation.
That's so well said, because you almost read the consumer's mind. I'm a consumer, so
Yeah.
every time there's a miss of a theatrical release, I go to a rating site called Rotten Tomatoes,
Yes.
and look at those ratings. And some of these 90% rating, 95% rating movies get missed out in India, world cinema, right?
Yes.
Maybe in France or Japan, and you wonder how you're going to discover them.
Yeah.
And I'm being very candid here, and most of the people, I'm sure, go the piracy route.
Right.
But with you people coming in, that's taken care of. You come subscribe here, and then watch those movies. And you're really not going to miss your favorite movies now because they haven't been released in India, right?
Correct. Absolutely.
Hmm?
That's the intent. We want to
Okay.
get those movies into India. That's
Okay.
the USP of the service.
Okay, and is it the pricing model I want to discuss with you, because I'm sure that a lot of people would subscribe to it. Is it a subscription model, pay as you go kind of model? How does that work?
It's not a subscription model. It's pay
Okay.
as you go, and you
Which is nice.
pay for a content that you want to watch. And the price points are, as is the norm. It could be, as low as 40 rupees, and it could go as high
Absolutely.
as 600, 700
Why
rupees,
not?
depending on what you buy and what you rent, and what category of film there is, whether it's a new release, a brand new release, whether it's a premium release. All those things will go into place. But it's a category that we will define. Having said that, this is also an option because of our tremendous depth in the data analysis that we have. This is something that we'll also keep monitoring, how the price reaction is, and we'll keep discussing with our content partners and suppliers, saying that this is the kind of pricing that probably works. So it's an ongoing discussion. I mean, this is the starting point. We don't have that data to judge, but this is something that will be an ongoing exercise.
You mentioned that in the US, this is a very big market, and I'm
Right.
sure you can tell our viewers why it's a huge market. And also recently, I was reading Janus Films, right, which distributes a lot of world cinema,
Yeah.
have done big deals in the US at this point of time. And on that context, I think you must tell our audience why India is in the cusp of a revolution in terms of video streaming. Why world cinema matters, why curated cinema matters is something you should tell us, please.
There was a feeling that because India creates a lot of content, that there is no need for something else to come in, or that will never get you know viewed or seen or liked, but which is a huge misconception. I mean, movie going nation. I mean, we all know that once we start watching a regional film or a world cinema, we soon forget that what language it is in. I mean, if you get so engrossed into it, and we realized that this is a segment that needs to be brought in. I mean, it continues to remain a challenge, but the fact is that we've invested into this because this is a unique opportunity to sample the content that there is. What you spoke about US is absolutely right. It's a very, very evolved window in the US, and a lot of films come through, and they're not just English language films from studios. There are a lot of international films that have now started going that route, and we are making sure that those are the kind of films that come to India now, and we are
Mhm.
making an effort from our end as well by acquiring that content. I mean, we know that those films will otherwise normally not release in India, or India is not that market. But we've in fact gone ahead and acquired a lot of that content, which is what we'll be
Okay.
showcasing on the platform.
Okay. Two things. Quickly, I have two questions. One, to talk about this service as a startup as well. It's taken 8 months to launch this, and I want to get to that. But before that, how will it work? I can stream from the content from a Book My Show app onto my TV, or will it already be bundled on the TV? And if it is, if you're privy, what are the targets set? I mean, you're looking at a few million customers. What are the numbers, early numbers, like if you're privy to share with us? What are the targets? That'd be
I'll
interesting.
go with the easier part first.
Yes, please. Go
The easier
on.
part is that we've there is no problem. Once you've logged in and purchased the content, it is available to view on any platform, whether it's
Absolutely.
on your mobile or on Fire TV or Apple TV, and and so long as you're following the window of rent and buy, which is there, you can watch it anywhere. There is no problem. You can watch it on two devices,
Okay.
which is also a
Okay.
possibility. So that answers your question about you'll not have a
Yes.
problem once you purchase the film. There's no restriction. You can buy on any of
Okay.
these platforms that there is.
Okay.
The second question was on numbers. I'm sorry, will not be able
Okay.
to
No problem.
share that.
No problem. Okay. Airtel and all of them, Airtel, Jio, and all of them are launching these smart boxes. Will it be available on that?
We are open to all these
All
discussions.
these
I mean, yeah,
partnerships.
all these
Okay.
partnerships. We are open, and this I'm talking from our content
Yes.
point of view. We are
Absolutely.
open to all partnerships, and
Because
we'll
more
see how the
content, the
market
merrier,
evolves.
right? And
Yes,
your
yes,
unique content. So
correct.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm
more.
sure.
I mean, we are open, and we'll take this discussion ahead as and when it happens.
Okay.
We are
Fantastic.
completely all right.
Fantastic. And for the user's sake, please, guys, sign up with them quickly, right? We can have more content and especially world cinema, right? Okay. Startup. 8 months it's taken you. Talk about, shout out to the team. How was the idea conceived? The beginning and the time to scale, the testing, the technologies used. Did you have your own video streaming technologies there? That's difficult because a lot of people use third-party streaming
Yeah.
services also. So your thoughts on these?
So, it's been a labor of love, really. I mean, everyone says that, but it's happened in that sense that, we started with just a very small idea, and, something that we just thought, that this is what it is, and how do we take it ahead? As we went along, we realized that, there is a lot of work involved, lot of effort that is needed. And what helped us, Vishal, is that, technology is our backbone, and that,
Yes.
they took that as a real good challenge, and then they started developing something. You're right, there's a lot of video streaming platforms, or the other nuances of the genre or the content. That was all taken care of. It was not easy because there are we want to come out with a service which is the best.
Yeah.
So how do you do that? You can't just play a movie. It has to have in the best of sound format, best of audio format. We made sure that we have HD sound. We are in 5.1 sound. We have ensured that we are available on all the devices. It would be very easy to just do it on mobile because that goes very easily. But we made effort to ensure that this comes to scale. And this is, we're very proud that we're India's first TVOD platform to scale in that sense. So we've done all that work. I mean, this is something on the technology side, but if you look on the other side, the teams have worked. I mean, you can understand the quantum of work because there are a lot of agreements to sign, lot of work, it's a new business. I mean, technically it's a
Yes.
new business because Hollywood studios also, have been waiting for a window like that to happen in India. And, they have been extremely supportive, been giving us all the content that we were asking for. But it's something which is a new discussion for
Okay.
all. It's been all across, Vishal. I mean, it's technology, but we have made sure that we don't compromise in any way. Is the best that you can watch, and that's where it is going to be.
Okay. My final question again is this: what is the advice that you'd give to consumers waiting for this? When is it going to get launched? When can they actually start subscribing? Not subscribing. Subscribe is the wrong word. To pay for the content and watch. And what about all the businesses, all the local studios, different languages in India? What message would you want to send out to them?
So we are launching on the 5th of February. You should go there. You should look out for whatever is the premier titles and exclusive titles. Then you can always dip into very highly curated bundles that we have specially made for the platform. And then you can also watch a lot of Indian content that there is. But I would urge everyone to give a shot to the world cinema, which is very, very premium. We've taken a lot of care and a lot of love and effort to bring that on board. Please give it a shot. But the content is available for everyone. It's on
Okay.
from 5th of February, and please all come and
Check it
experience
out.
and share the
Okay.
feedback.
Okay, and what about the local studios? People who want to partner with you. A lot of the rights are with the local distributors. Can they
We
come?
partnered with all major ones, Vishal. We
Okay,
have Shemaru, we
amazing.
have Rashri, we have Viacom. They've all given content. There are a lot of premium regional suppliers who've given us content. There are a lot of independent distributors who bring Hollywood and world cinema to India. Keva Films is one, Pictureworks is one. We've tied up with everyone. The discussions are ongoing, continuous. We want to make sure that we are able to aggregate the best of content that there is.
Okay, guys, go check out Book My Stream. Only a couple of days away, and obviously you can watch this video in entirety, or you can watch the small snippet that I put out. Thank you very much. Go download Book My Show stream. It's bundled in the app, so you don't have to download any special app, right, Ashish?
That's correct. That's correct.
Great. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal. Thanks for your time.